Hi everyone, Sonny Evans speaking. Another video for you guys on YouTube. Time is 8:29 p.m. in the evening. The date is the 13th of June 2018. Alright, let's get down to business, guys. Now, that's when my town is, Woking, W-O-K-I-N-G. This is rain coming in from the west at the moment. It's live video footage this evening. As you can see, it's quite violent. Bad storm coming into the northwest of Scotland, into the Highlands of Scotland. Those yellow bits, those are moderate risks in those yellow bits of thunderstorms and lightning potential there. So it's quite horrific, quite bad weather coming into northwestern England and Scotland at the moment. I reckon, this is my prediction, this spell here might make a beeline for us, go like that, or we just get what is down here, these things here, we just get showers, and this would be sometime, I would say, and these ones here too, sometime this lot here, this is like tomorrow morning, so whatever, sometime tomorrow morning we'll get these as showers, or we might get long spells of rain, but this is what's coming in the next 2 or 3 hours time. So it's 10 o'clock tonight, it's going to be light showers for us in Woking, and after that it'll get a little bit calmer for about an hour or two, and then tomorrow morning, early in the morning, 5 a.m. onwards to about 10 a.m. this will come in showers or whatever, or it might be heavy rain tomorrow morning. It's going to be one or the other. You have to put your bet on it. I'm betting on this lot here bringing rain to us at the worst, but I could be wrong. It could be light showers. We'll have to see what happens for the next 12 hours. There's a sporty Sky just going past. Noisy motor car. Do excuse the motor vehicle. You hear it. Right. Let's look at the other thing. The lightning potential. As you see, there's nothing lightning at all for Scotland, like I told you. Just shows how I can predict the weather. Southeastern Europe, there's thunderstorms in Italy, around there at the moment, and in Greece. Quite violent. There's a lot going on there. So yeah, there you go. Chance to look at that. This is live video footage. And this is the pressure map. Now, low pressure is blue. The high pressure is red. Now, low pressure sometimes can turn into high pressure. High pressure can turn into low pressure. It's to do with the weather across the world, the global weather. Now, these are lots of models up here. This is the national model we're going to look at. That is the JMA model there, and that is the GEM model. There's just lots of different types of models. There's GFS. There's lots of models there. They all have different ideas of what it's going to do. If about 5 of them if about 5 of them go towards the same thing, then they're in disagreement. If you get 8 of them going for the same thing, then you've got a chance of it's more likely to do that. The weather is. So let's have a look at the Massa model. I like the Massa model if you want hot weather. This one's my favourite. So what's that high pressure? Excuse the turning the thing. Look at that pressure. It's coming our way. Oh boy. Wow. Just that Saturday, yeah, that's the rain forecast. That's the forecast for Saturday. That's why they think the Met Office think there'll be showers this Saturday. There's a small risk with this low pressure system here. We'll have to watch that. So don't put your bets on you're going to get a dry Saturday. You might get a wet Saturday, but not too wet, hopefully, fingers crossed. That's the high pressure. This is next week. Oh, wow. It's Sunday to Monday. Look at that. Isn't that good? I think next week will be sunny and cloudy, more sunshine. I think even probably 25, 23 Celsius. Great. Maybe hotter than that. I don't know. But this is a national. It's going to be 26, 28 if this goes to plan. Quite hot in the next week. Or we hotter than that. We'll have to wait. Maybe hotter than 28, maybe in the low 30s. I don't know. We'll have to see what happens. Wow. That is seriously, if that goes off by plan, it's only prediction. That is pretty hot. That's 20th, 21st. It was good for my trip down to Weymouth next week. I'm going to Weymouth next week. Oh, we're definitely going to Weymouth next week. I don't care if it's sunny cloud. I'm more fussy about Bournemouth than Weymouth. Wow. Looks quite good, that does, doesn't it? Very good. Alright, I'm going to try this and see if it works. This other website. It might be a bit totsy. To visit the jet stream. At the moment, we are to the south of it. That's today. That's why it's been lovely and hot the last 2 days or so. Only in the morning, the other half of the day is cloudy. But if you're south of the jet stream, just about south of there, you're in the heat, hot, warmth. If you were north of it, you're in the cold air. At this time we call it cool air. The south would be called hot air. Because it's summer, we're in the northern hemisphere, it's summer, we got about over, we've got over about 20 hours of light at the moment, running dark, light, and that's why it's so hot and sunny. Let's see, we've got the sun on our side at the moment, the northern hemisphere. Right, let's have a look at this, see how this works. Here we go. There we are. So the jet stream is literally over us still. Now it's the northwest. That's Sunday. So there you go. Basically, is going now further north. So then we're just about getting into the south of it again. So that's good. Wow, look at that. We're back to the warm heat again. That's good. That is very good. That's my day down to Weymouth. Let's hope it's good that day. Trip down to Weymouth with a friend of mine. I'll choose this day off. Ooh, look at that. Uh-oh, not good. If you're in the middle there, it's quite stormy and wet or horrible. Uh-oh. I was thinking I'm going Tuesday at the moment. That's not good. This is what I'm going to be doing much since Tuesday outdoors. Might be alright, I don't know. It's Thursday, the 21st of June. Prediction. We're just south of it by Thursday and Friday next week. You're in the south of England, you're in Scotland. It's tough luck. Sorry guys. You're in the worst of the wind or the worst of the weather perhaps. Still doing it. Stuck in a rock. Saturday the 23rd of June. Sunday the 24th of June. Going away that weekend on holiday. Going to be 50-50. I might be wrong about this. It's very close. Yeah. Oh well. Yeah. Oh dear. Downhill on 26th of June. Tuesday. Look like that's going to work out too well, and then we're not going anywhere, and we were going to go. Oh well. Skipped ahead there, sorry about that. I don't think you've seen enough of this. Right, let's look at something else. This is the risk at the moment. This is the weather warning issued by this website. So you see the colours there. Now, moderate risk isn't too bad. The worst is over there. It's got the Highlands of Scotland in it. Blue is low risk. We're nowhere near it. We're all right. We're safe. That is a prediction by this website to what's going to happen in the weather in the next 24 hours across Scotland and North West England. Right, let's look at the risk of tornadoes across England. Oh yeah, I've got a website that does tornadoes. It actually predicts picked up on tornadoes across England. That's what I show you where they are predicted to be. Now, those colours you see, this is live video footage right now. The darker the colours, the more intense, the more risky you are getting a tornado. So, yellow is the same as the thunderstorms, not at risk. Well, no risk at all, I think the yellows are, yeah, no risk or risk of tornadoes is green. No risk is yellow. So you've got green, yeah, your risk of tornadoes. I know it's bizarre, it's the other way around. So if you get tornadoes in those sort of colours. And then that one, slight risk of tornadoes is yellow. I would have done that one. Sorry. Sorry. No risk. Sorry. No risk of the green one, and risk of the higher light. Yeah, slightly. The darker the colour, the more risk you are seeing tornadoes. Let's put it that way. Sorry about that. So yeah, at the moment,
you are at slight risk of getting a tornado at the moment, or slight risk. So the darker the colours, the more intense, the more likely you have to see tornadoes. So there's a little tornado risk. There's a risk of tornadoes there. So yeah, it's definitely happening. Let's look at the thunderstorm risk. Oh yeah, thunderstorm risk too. Yes, as I said to you earlier, we have moderate risk at the moment of getting thunderstorms across England. There's some nearby to us, near Woking, one in Somerset area, going into Dorset. It's predicted. This is live video footage. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And yeah, so the same thing. The darker the colour, the more at risk you are getting the thunderstorms. So, as they say, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It's one of my best ones yet. If you like it, thank you for listening. May the force be with you always. May the means of the many outweigh the means of the few. Goodbye, everyone. Thanks for listening to Simon Evans.